All right, so this week we've been looking at spheres. So the first part, we're going to review the surface area. I remember when we covered this, I said the surface area of a sphere was going to be 4 circles. So it's going to be 4 radius squared pi. All right, so let's take a look at number 5. I'm just going to go forward. Radius squared, the radius is 12. So 12 squared is 144 pi. So 4 times 144 gives me 576. So my answer in this case is 576 pi. The way I type that is 576 pi. Now let's take a look at number 6. I need to know the radius. Remember here for number 5, the radius was 12 because it was only given half. You can see the radius is 12. But in number 6, the radius is 3. The diameter is 6, so the radius is half of it, which is 3. So I'm going to go forward times 9 pi. The 9 from radius squared, right? 3 squared. So 4 times 9 is 36. So my answer in this case is going to be 36 pi. I'm going to type that as 36 pi. Now, let's talk about volume. We talked about volume later, and we said the volume of a sphere was going to be 4 radius cubed pi over 3. I talked about some cones, that it takes 2 cones to fill up a sphere. So we do need the radius. The radius for number 7 is 8. Notice I'm giving you guys a diameter, so make sure you guys get the radius. So I'm just going to go forward times 512 pi over 3. The 512, that's 8 to the third. So on the top, let me go 512 times 4. So that gives me 2048 pi over 3. Let me multiply 2048. Let me divide that by 3. So that's going to give me 682.7 pi. That way I will type that will be 682.7 pi. Make sure you round it to 1 decimal place. Now for number 8, I do need the radius. I'm given that the diameter is 5.8. The radius is half of that, so that means the radius is 2.9. Remember in the formula, 4 times radius cubed. I'm just going to go forward times 24.389. That is 2.9 to the third power pi over 3. Notice I'm not rounding to 1 decimal place at this time. I just did 2.9 to the third. I multiply my 2 numbers from the top. That's going to give me 97.556 pi over 3. So let me go 97.556 divided by 3. My answer will be 32.5 pi. I'll type that as 32.5 pi.